We'll guide you through how to practice Asana for beginners right on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Asana website and log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard. To start practicing, you need to create a project. Click on the plus icon labeled New Project at the top of the screen. You can choose from a blank project or use one of the templates. For beginners, you might want to start with a simple task list. Name your project something relevant like Beginner Practice. With your project set up, it's time to add tasks. Click on the Add Task button and enter the task details. Be specific about what you want to accomplish. For instance, if you're learning yoga, your tasks might include research basic poses or schedule daily practice. You can add due dates by clicking the calendar icon next to the task. This helps you stay on track. Once your tasks are set up, you can organize them into sections. Click on Add Section to group related tasks together, such as separating research tasks from practice tasks. As you complete tasks, check them off to visually track your progress. Asana also allows you to add collaborators if you're working with a group. Simply click on the Share button and invite others to view or edit your project. Remember, Asana is a flexible tool, so don't hesitate to adjust as you go. Practice regularly and adjust your tasks to fit your progress. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.